Welcome to the 2025 Robocon LEGO Robotics Challenge. This year, the competition will consist of 3 different parts: a bullseye challenge, a live coding challenge, and a live build challenge. The challenges will be broken down into different tiers based on student team's grade level. Tier 1 will be students in grades kindergarten through 2nd grade. Tier 2 will be students in 3rd through 5th grade, and Tier 3 will be students in 6th through 8th grade. In Bullseye 2.0, teams will program a brick vehicle to travel to a target at a set distance from the starting line. During the 10-minute competition, teams will decide which distance of the 3 they will code first. The closest distance will score the following points: blue, 5, yellow, 3, and green, 1 point. The second closest distance will score the following: blue, 10 points, yellow, 6, green, 2. Finally, the furthest distance will score the following: blue, 15 points, yellow, 9, and green, 3. Vehicles will be scored if any part of the vehicle ends up on the target. For example, if a vehicle stops in the yellow triangle but a small portion ends up in the blue triangle, they will be scored the points for the blue triangle. Tier 3 students will start off to the left-hand side of each distance and will travel 5 feet before making a 90-degree turn and continuing down a straight path towards the bullseye. Total team scores are tallied by adding the scores of the 3 different distances over a 10-minute period. In Live Code Challenge, Kick It, students will use their same vehicle as the Bullseye Challenge. They will have a 10-minute time limit, just like the Bullseye Challenge. 9 minutes will be preparing and testing the code, and the last minute will be when the students will run their code and score points. The points they score will be added to their total from the bullseye. Only points scored in the last minute will be counted. Tier 1 students will start in the blue goal line and drive towards a ball in the center of the playing field. They are to try to score in the red goal without the ball rolling off the mat. After 9 minutes of practice, they will have 3 attempts to score. Along the white line leading to the goal line are numbers 1 through 10. The ball will be scored in whichever number box it stops in. If the ball lands in the red goal, students will receive 10 points plus a bonus 5 points. If the ball rolls off the mat, no points will be scored. Tier 2 and 3 students will start their vehicle in the center of the mat and can position it in any direction they choose. A white ball will be placed on each number, 5 through 16, on the mat, with 4 red balls being placed in the red numbered circles, 1 through 4. Students will code their brick car to move around the mat. For each ball hit outside the circled number, they will score those number points. If a ball hits another ball out of the circle, those points will count as well. If they knock a red ball out of the circle, they will double their score at the end of the 1 minute. Only 1 red ball will count if they hit multiple red balls. For example, if balls are knocked out of the 11, 15, and 1 circles, the team would add 11 and 15 to make 26 points, and then they would double it for hitting the red ball to make a total score of 52. Tier 3 students will have an added challenge. 4 walls will be set up on the horizontal and vertical white lines. Scoring will be the same as Tier 2 students. However, if a wall is hit, the team will lose 1 point each time the vehicle hits a wall. If the wall knocks a ball out of the circle, that ball will not count towards their score. Good luck to everyone, and remember to have a great time and show support for the other teams.